Hello, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to talk about double spacing in Microsoft Word. Now it's pretty simple how to go about this. There are a couple different ways to do it, but the simplest and most direct, quickest way is to highlight the text you want to double space. You can do that by left clicking and dragging the cursor and then releasing the left click at the end of what you want to select. Or if you wanted to select, let's say, just one paragraph, you could triple click, or you could click at the beginning of the selection area, hold Shift, and click at the end of it. It's another way to select it. Or if you wanted to select your whole document, you don't want to have to scroll through it, Control A is Select All. So once you have your text selected that you want to double space, all you do in Word is you go up to the Home tab, and then there's this button here, and it's called Line and Paragraph Spacing. You go ahead and click on that. You have single space, then you have some options in between. You have a space and a half, and then you have double space. So click on 2.0 for double spacing, 3.0 for triple spacing, but we're focusing on double spacing, so we're going to click on 2.0. And there you have it. If you wanted to do the whole document, like I said, Control A is Select All, and then you can go ahead and click up here and click double spacing. And as you can see, it double spaced the entire document. That's all I have for you guys today. You have a good one. We make these videos for you guys, so if you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button for us and let us know we're doing a good job. If you hated it, give us a thumbs down. If you loved it, give us a thumbs up. I appreciate it.